put the list for the beneficiary and then separate list for the petitioner para hindi po kayo maguluhan. Para at least naman po makaiwas kayo sa 221G or refuse 221G. Ano nga ba? What are the most common reasons why an applicant get refused 221G on their interview day? Please check this video right here. I have there the full explanation and the most common reasons right now why an applicant gets refuse 221G. Nandyan na po. Check that video para makaiwas ka na rin na ma-refuse 221G. Kasi pag na-refuse 221G kayo, dagdag waiting game na naman dyan. Maghihintay na naman kayo either a week. Some people have to wait a month or 2 para po ma-approve and ma-issued yung visa nila. So please take note of that. Of those reasons bakit na-221G yung mga applicant. Check that video. Anyways, yes, let's start with the beneficiary.